In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games launcher setup. Now the way that we can do this is we want to come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, go to Processes, click anywhere and press E, close down Epic Games Launcher by End Task, and then head over to Details and sort by the name, press E again and close down all the Epic web helpers as well. Press End Task and make sure everything is closed down. Then what you can do is come down here and search for this PC. In here you want to go to your C drive, open up Program Files 86, find Epic Games and delete this folder. Come back and go into Program Files and delete the other Epic Games folder in here. Now I don't have another one in here because I have mine installed on the D drive, as you can see right here, but you want to delete that as well. So make sure you delete both of the Epic Games folders on your different drives. And then once you've done that, you want to simply just head over here, search for Download Epic Games, choose the first one from in here, install on Windows, come up here, open up this one, and from in here what you want to do is press Repair. Now after you press Repair, just let it load for a little bit. After it's done repairing, you can close it down and then launch it, and now it should hopefully work. Now that's basically how you can fix it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.